Autoseal technology is leak and spill proof. Drinks stay hot up to 5 hours or cold up to 12 with Thermalock vacuum insulation. One-handed drinking with the push of a button. Easy clean lid opens completely for thorough cleaning and locks for added peace of mind. Fits in most car cup holders and under most single-serve brewers. The Contigo Autoseal West Loop vacuum-insulated stainless steel travel mug with easy clean lid, 16 ounces, is made for the modern movers, shakers, commuters, travelers, and urban explorers in all of us. The ultimate in-on-the-go convenience, this thermal coffee mug is leak and spill proof thanks to Autoseal technology. Press a button to drink and release to seal after every sip. Thermalock dual-wall vacuum insulation keeps liquids piping hot up to 5 hours or icy cold up to 12. The easy clean lid pops open completely when you're done drinking, letting you get into all the nooks and crannies for thorough cleaning. The innovative lid is also one connected piece, so there are no parts to misplace when you toss it on the top rack of your dishwasher. Stainless steel bodies are hand wash only. Top reviews from the United States. Great cup and doesn't leak. I like having a leak-proof, spill-proof cup to drink from. I can carry it in my tote bag or inside my backpack, and when the lid is locked, it doesn't leak. I usually only have water, but sometimes tea, hot and iced. I have other Contigo Autoseal West Loop cups in different sizes. I keep one next to my bed to drink from during the night. I carry one with me when going for walks, or bicycle riding, and going shopping. Cold drinks during hot weather and hot drinks during cold weather. If you want, you can have steamers, lattes, cappuccinos, hot chocolate or cocoa. However, after finishing the drinks with milk, it's best to rinse the cup when empty, especially the lid. When milk sours, it's harder to clean the lid. I use a dish cleaning brush. The lid is dishwasher safe. It is recommended that the cup be hand washed. Although it's stainless steel, the paint will eventually start to peel from the constant heat and detergent in the dishwasher. Yep, I learned that from personal experience. It doesn't hurt the cup, but it doesn't look as nice. This cup is replacing one I lost. I have the 16, 20 and 24 ounces cups and use them all.